Here we go. To the right first.
Imagine being diagnosed with dementia. Imagine the shock both to you and your loved ones. In the next year, over 200,000 people in the UK will get this diagnosis. They may feel as if life is closing down, but it needn't be. In this A for D ballet workshop series at the wonderful Royal Opera House, we are assisted by a dancer from the Royal Ballet.
Okay, so we're just going to start nice and tall. Now, dancers in this room, we all know that to be a dancer, you have to be wide, tall and proud. So we're going to stand wide, tall and proud of ourselves to begin.
Working with arts organisations, Arts for Dementia has led the way in creating stimulating arts workshops for early stage dementia. Even with memory fading, the creative brain may still function well, and artistic stimulation can dramatically improve well-being. Music, dance, poetry, and creative design can bring a sense of joy and fulfillment, both to those with dementia and to their caregivers, the unsung heroes, and a sense of fighting back against the disease.
Well, this has been an amazing experience and a lot of fun coming here on a Saturday morning. And I hope to do this again. And the music has been extraordinary, very inspiring as well. And all our trainers, or we try to emulate, have been very understanding as well. So altogether, tremendous atmosphere and great fun.
On behalf of the carers, I'd like to thank Arts for Dementia for giving us the opportunity to be here. It's been highly interactive, motivating, and the 10 weeks have been absolutely marvellous. The dancing and the group work, individual work has been excellent. Thank you very much.
So we're so excited and thank you so much. We can't be thankful enough because this sort of thing never happens everywhere. It's just, this opportunity, and it's just beautiful. And thank you so much, bottom of my heart.
My name's Helen Milbank and I've volunteered with Arts for Dementia since January. I've helped with the ceramics at the Garden Museum, which was really amazing. I really enjoyed that. So from there I went on and I was helping at the Poetry Library at the South Bank Centre, creating poetry with some really amazing poets that came along, facilitating. And then I've recently taken part in the dance at the Royal Opera House, which has been another amazing experience with lovely teachers, fantastic music and lovely participants. So I've really enjoyed my experience.
Hi, my name's Anne Howarth and I started volunteering for two reasons: because I had experience of dementia in my family and because I have an interest in dance. Since I've volunteered with Arts for Dementia, I've been on some amazing programmes, ballet at the Royal Opera House, but also before that South Asian dance, theatre workshops. I've even been on a canal boat with opera. So it's been an absolutely super experience. It's been really enriching for myself, as well as for the people that attend. And the power of music really comes over in those workshops. And Royal Opera House here have been so welcoming, so helpful. They've made everything so easy for us that it's really appreciated.
My husband John was diagnosed with PCA Alzheimer's in 2014. We were, of course, devastated, but we started to be encouraged to take part in the arts. We attended classes with BBO through Arts for Dementia series, and we also went to a few series of Clay for Dementia at Lambeth Palace. It was magic. It was not only good for John, it was good and enriching for myself, the volunteers, the other carers, the instructors. It was, I can't say, it's joy. Taking part in the arts is so important. John didn't dance at weddings, but he danced ballets, he sang songs, he took part. It became a routine, and it enriched our lives so much.
We train workshop leaders, both for our partners and hundreds of others as well. Our 600 plus graduates will deliver arts events, over the next year to over 13,000 people affected by dementia. Other recent A4D programmes involve the National Poetry Library at London's South Bank Centre and script writing at the Royal Court Theatre. The Garden Museum in Lambeth has run 4 Clay for Dementia series since our pilot a year ago. The new A4D website enables people affected by a dementia around the UK to find opportunities nearby. Can you help us to help many more affected by dementia and their companions realise their extraordinary potential to be creative, to express themselves and to have fun, so that while they may have a dementia, they don't need to suffer with it? It could be any of us.